Hello guys, welcome to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the most powerful two black gapping pattern found on our chart. May it be forex, may it be crypto, may it be stocks, may it be binary options, and basically I'm going to show you what exactly the two black gapping candlestick pattern is all about. Okay, I know most of you have heard about it, but some of you have not heard about it. Okay, you don't have to panic. Every day is a learning day, and you're going to learn exactly what this particular candlestick pattern is all about. Is a formation that is found on our chart, and immediately you see it, there is what it signifies. Remember, we have the name gapping in between, so we'll be paying attention on the name gapping, and it is called the two black gapping, and it's indeed a bearish two black gapping candlestick pattern. Okay, allow me to welcome new people in this channel. If you have found my channel for the very first time, I welcome you. Kindly join this amazing family by subscribing to this channel, because I believe this is where you belong. Just to cut the long story short, we do reviews about strategies. We tell you the strategies that can work and which that cannot work for you as well. We teach you things that you really have to know about forex trading. So that's why I'm saying this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, you know what, I salute you, and I salute you, and I salute you. Okay, there is some patterns that you find on your chart, and maybe sometimes you come across it and you're like, oh my god, this has happened and I have blown my account. Take a picture of that particular pattern that you have seen and start doing your own research of what it is all about, and so on and so forth. When you realize any pattern, take a screenshot, keep it, and start learning about it. You definitely know more about it. Okay, so this particular pattern, just as I have told you before, I came across it severally on my chart, and I took a screenshot of it, and I loved knowing what exactly it is and what it signifies, because whenever I saw this particular formation, the market was really going into its direction. You understand? So that's why I'm saying, whenever you see any unfamiliar pattern happening, just take a screenshot and start learning about it, because whenever it happens, you just know the direction. Why I love forex trading is that you can predict the next movement. And how can we predict the next movement? We can use such patterns that I'm almost talking about. So in this video, this particular pattern is called the bearish two black gapping. The bearish two black gapping. Okay, it's a continuation pattern, and it appears at the top in an uptrend. So basically, you're going to watch this particular candlestick pattern forming the top of an uptrend. That's the resistance zone, and remember, there must be a gap for it to be complete. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like. Whenever you see such kind of a formation, this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Very great formation. As you can see right here, we have this candlestick pattern, and of course, as you can see right here, we have a gap, and as I have said before, it happens on the top of an uptrend. This is resistance. So whenever you see such kind of a formation, we have a candlestick pattern number one, and there is a gap and another candlestick pattern. Just know the movement is proceeding to the downside, because it's a continuation pattern. The bearish two black gapping is a continuation pattern that appears after a notable top. So it appears after a notable top. So on resistance, that's when you will see it happening again, and it must have a gap. Remember, it's called the two black gapping. So there is a gap in there, and as you can see right here, guys, we have a gap right here. This is the gap. As you can see, it is being pointed by that arrow over here. It must have a gap, as I've said before, a gap down that yields two black bars posting low. So we have two black bar posting lower lows, and remember, when we have lower lows, of course, we do look for selling opportunity. And when you see such kind of information, guys, as you can see right here, there was a very great push to the downside, so it can trigger a broader scale downtrend. So this can signify a greater movement to the downside. That's how powerful and powerful the bearish to black gapping continuation pattern looks like. Remember, it appears after a recognized, or after you have recognized a top in an uptrend, and they must have a gap down that yields to black bars posting lower lows, and this pattern predicts that the decline will continue to even lower lows. So the falling is actually proceeding to the downside, and it can trigger a greater movement to the downside. So that's what you're supposed to know as a forex trader, as a crypto trader, any trader that you are, may it be binary, stocks, and anything. Whenever you come across this particular pattern, you really know what it means and how you can approach it. Okay, so let's have another picture of how it looks like right on your chart. This is indeed another picture of how this two black gapping continuation pattern looks like. Guys, as you can see right here, it is on our notable top over here, and the gap appears right after a notable top. This is the gap right here, and you can see the market was really pushing to the downside. Okay, there is a gap here again, as you can see right here. I want to circle it again. That's the gap. The most important thing you must know is the gap. The gap will help you know that the market is pushing to the downside. Okay, let's have another example of how it looks like. Proper understanding. A very good example right here, as you can see, it is unrecognized top over here. We have a gap right over here, and the market pushed to the downside. So whenever you see such kind of a formation of this candlestick pattern, just know it signifies a push to the downside. Okay, so guys, I hope you've learned something from this video. It's indeed the best and the best thing to really know about forex trading, and knowing the patterns as well. This will help you to really know when to execute your order and when to exit your order. Okay, as you know, you put your stop loss just above the highs of here when you're selling, and target your next support if you're selling. Remember, it's a bearish to black gapping, and remember, it must have a gap in there. Okay, that's why it's have the name gapping. So guys, I hope you've learned something from this video. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I know one day your hard work will pay you. So what do I say, guys? Bye, see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys.